My name is Summer. Thank you for coming to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit subscribe. If you're not new and you've been subscribed, hey, how are y'all? So I know y'all know I usually do college vlogs, but I'm switching it up just a little bit today, and I'm going to be doing a review on this hair from Dyhair777. So this is going to be my initial review on the hair, how I like it. I'll probably add some clips from later on of how I like the hair, you know, all that. You know, she gonna style it for me, do all that, the install, okay? And I'm gonna take y'all through the process. So if you're interested in seeing what Dyhair777 has to offer, y'all keep on watching. Okay. So y'all, I'm getting ahead of myself because I haven't even showed y'all the hair. But okay, so it comes in a bag like this. It says Dyhair777. And then when I open it up, I already took it out once, y'all. You know, I couldn't wait, okay? I'm sorry. And it also comes with this little thing about hair care, how to take care of your hair, all that. I'm really doing all that for me, so you know what? I ain't even gotta read it. And so here is the hair. This is, oh Lord, I think it's Body Wave. And it is 20, yeah, it's Body Wave. And it's 22 inches, okay? Let it be, okay. So yeah, I just wanna show y'all the hair. Here's the closure.
Not closure, it's the frontal.
Okay.
It's a 360 wig.
Here's the frontal. It's a 360 wig. Okay, I already told him that, you know.
Show them the inside.
This is the inside.
Y'all, she don't know what she doing.
And here's, y'all hear the clips. Okay, boom. So, yeah. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. I'm going to try my best not to be extra ratchet in this voiceover. Because if you watch my other hair video, you know I just be adding up when I do a voiceover. So, yeah. All right. I got to catch up. See, look. I'm already talking too much. Okay. So, in that other clip, she had put in bleach. She put bleach in that bowl. And now she's mixing it with 30 Developer. You can use any brand, whatever brand you got, whatever you can find, you know. Use that. You're going to mix it up. You want it to be a thick consistency, you know, like brownie batter or toothpaste, you know. You just want to mix it up, get it good and everything mixed up. Let me know. She said, yeah, tell them it don't matter, just eye it. We black, we don't measure it. Her exact words, okay? So yeah, so she's gonna show you right here about how thick it needs to be. You can see right there. So in this next clip, she turned the wig inside out and put it on her mannequin head. Listen, don't be judging her mannequin head. She said that's her dog. It been there for her throughout her wig, so mind your business, okay? Okay. So now she is going to start to bleach the knots. The purpose of this is to have the wig look a little more natural so that when I put it on my head, you know, it ain't going to be so dark looking like it's not my scalp, you know. So it looks seamless, you know. So yeah, so she wanted me to note that when you're bleaching the knots, you need to be really light-handed because what will happen is you will make the bleach seep through and it'll hit some of the hair, so then your hair will be bleached at the roots, and you don't want that. So you want to be real light-handed and just touch it very lightly so you can just bleach what you need to bleach. And she left this bleach on for 15 minutes. You don't want to leave it too long or the same thing will happen and it'll end up bleaching through the cap or through the wig and hitting the hair. So you know you want to leave it on 15 minutes, you know, get all the spots that you need. This is a 360 wig, which means it can be parted anywhere. It can be put up in a ponytail. So wherever you think you're gonna part it, that's where you want to bleach. So that's why she bleached really like the whole thing. So now she's rinsing out the bleach. Hey sis. And here you can tell that it's bleached. It's a little lighter. That's what you want. You know what I'm saying? I want to note that when she was washing it, the water was brown. We're not sure if that's from either the hair being dyed or either the bleach or dirt. I mean, it could be really anything. But yeah, I just wanted to tell y'all that the water was a little brown. And that's about how much hair shed out of it. So that's not bad, you know. And you can see here the water cleared up when she got through the second wash. Here she's putting water or conditioner in the water and letting the wig sit, you know. You got to get it a little sleek, okay? All right, so now she is plucking the perimeter of the hair. Honestly, it was already pre-plucked, but she plucked some more, so we could have probably done with it, you know. We probably could have used it, you know. It would have worked if she wouldn't have plucked some more, but you know, she gotta be extra for me, you know. Lovely me. But not for real. So she went on and plucked some more all across the perimeter, just because y'all know, like our natural hair, you don't have no thick edges. I mean, I don't know if y'all do. I mean, I ain't bald edges, but you know, still it don't be looking super thick. So you want to look natural, so that's why she did that. And you can see there it look good. Okay, sis, go ahead. So she also ended up cutting some like baby hairs too. I didn't show that part, I don't think. But yeah, she cut some baby hairs too so that, you know, toward the end she could slick them down, okay? Y'all, I done did this voiceover 4 times, I think. This is my last time doing it. So if I mess up, listen, oh well.
You wanna know what I want? I really want veneers.
What?
I really want them, like
Summer.
Like I really do. You know how much they cost? This one girl, she paid, I forgot her name on YouTube. I think she's from Charlotte, or I know she's from North Carolina. She paid $30,000. Y'all probably know the girl name. Put her name in the description box. Oh please, what do you know? How many people that's from Charlotte or like in the South Carolina?
They probably know who I'm talking about.
Okay. Well,
we're
gonna see.
And I don't know.
If y'all gonna put it in there, if y'all honest, if one person know.
Listen,
I owe someone $10.
Okay. Oh, bye, Felicia.
Ooh, kill them. So right now, y'all, I'm just looking her hair down. Just looking it back right now.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Just moving.
So do you think I'll ever be able to put on a wig by myself?
Yeah. No. Oh. She ain't got it in it.
I'm so confident. Yeah.
She ain't.
I ain't got it in me.
Hell no.
Cause I feel like she can do her tulip. I don't know about the cap.
Oh, I definitely can't do the braids.
Oh my goodness.
Now the cap, I feel like I might
What about, okay, what can she twist it? Like do 2-strand twist?
She just really just need to get the hair out the way, honestly. She just gotta put the hair back just to move it out the way.
I just want to take this little minute to say shout out to Amira. I appreciate her so much helping me with this video because, you know, she took time out of her day and we was really doing this forever. It really didn't take that long. It took like an hour and 30 minutes, but, you know, y'all, I had so much footage to freaking edit. Like, I say, oh no, see, this is not for me. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Her head's so big, y'all, that like it fit like perfectly on her head. Cause you know, most people you have to cut some of the hair off, but like her ear is like right there, so it fits perfectly on there. So I'm literally just cutting out like what they left out for us to cut out.
So now she's taking my foundation. So get you, girl, whatever color you are, you get your color foundation and put it on your wig. This way, this is another, you know, thing that they do to make the wig look a little more natural, you know. So we ended up, actually, this was my summertime foundation color, so we ended up changing to a darker or a lighter foundation. But you know, that it was trout, what is it, what's the word? Dang, y'all. Anyways, so now she's putting Got to Be gel. I'm about to say glue. Got to Be gel. That's the brand. It's a gel. She's putting it around the perimeter of my head so she can lay the frontal down, lay the wig down, you know. And now she's taking this blow dryer to let it get tacky so that it'll stick better. You don't want to put it on there when it's wet because it's just going to be slipping. You want to let it get tacky. She also added hairspray, the Got to Be hairspray too, to help it even more, you know. And she's using, you don't have to use a blow dryer. You can wait, but it kind of sped up the process. So, you know, we use the blow dryer. I just want to say, take this little minute while she's doing this to say that, y'all, I really, like, I like the hair. Mira had good things to say about the hair. She said that, like, in general, the strands are thick. Because, yeah. And later on in the video, you're going to see us putting heat on it. And I even, like, a day or two later, I straightened it. So, and yes, y'all, I'm doing this voiceover right now. And I still got the wig on. And I'm wearing this wig this weekend, okay? Not coming to play with y'all.
I never heard of like no wrong like this stuff in real life.
Here she just flicking my edges down. Edges on fleek, you know, getting it right, getting your girl right. This makes it look a little more natural too, you know, cover up the little where the frontal start, you know. Secure the lace, boo. Secure the lace, okay? Okay.
I just feel like
I told her if I want to do my makeup, Haley, you know,
You can still do it.
well, I'm not gonna do it today, but if I ever with a wig, for real, for real.
we're gonna see how it feel on your head.
It feel good.
Like it don't feel that bad now.
No,
like, I
it
feel
don't.
like you gotta get adjusted to it.
Yeah.
Oh,
That thing look good right there.
well, good sis.
Yes, sis.
I feel like when she, are you gonna tie it down?
Yeah,
Or
I'm
no?
gonna go ahead and tie it down, yeah. Woo, child. You can't tell me that thing don't look good. In that last clip, she was putting on some powder because, like I said, we had to, you know, try some different stuff because it was looking a little too dark or whatever. But now she putting a scarf, you know, just to lay it down. Yeah, so I haven't took the wig off since she installed it. I mean, I could and then just get her to gel it back on, but I didn't keep it on. So at night I've been putting a scarf around it, and it helps keep it flat, you know. So now she's just curling it. She blow dried it first, and now she's curling it, so you get to see how it holds a curl. It held them pretty good. Like through that the rest of that night, it held it. And then later on, you'll see a clip the day after how it fell, but it went to like a little natural state. So it was cute. Shout out to my friend. Shout out to Haley over there. Hey girl. And that was Essence earlier in the background. Now she's just using that to lay it flat. I know I watched Aaliyah J's install video the other day, and she used the hot comb. So you can use whatever, flat iron, whatever you got, you know. Lay it down, sis. Lay it down. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm out of breath. Look at Ty Baby. Ty Baby! Right after this, I told her to get out my frame. Yeah, my sis did that. Ah, look at that. My sis did it. Thank you, Amira. She's so talented. Yeah, this was her first time doing a 360 wig. My sis did the thing. Okay. Yeah, but the hair looked really good. It held a curl good. Like, I really like it. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I really do. Like, I really do. I've been over here feeling myself. And this is my first wig, you know. So, of course, I'm like, ooh. Wig me, please. The rest of 2018, please. I decided to do a little update video on the hair. It's now Thursday. So, I wore it all day yesterday. And now it's the first day of classes, and I still have the hair in. I'm gonna turn the camera over so y'all can see. So I think I'm gonna wand curl it some more, but like all the curls have failed. But it's like a really good consistency, y'all. I love the length, like I love it. Y'all ignore really what I got on. I just threw something on. I'm wearing these jeans. These jeans and this shirt, but I think it's cute. Okay, y'all, so I'm trying to show, like, this little video gonna be all on the place, but I mean, it's real life, you know what I'm saying? Look at Ty Baby, hey!
My room dirty, stop!
I got Haley straightening the hair, y'all. Like, it is straightening so good. Like, it looks like it's my hair. Look at that. The hair straight. Show them how long. And that thing. Woo! Woo! Magic City ready! Well, y'all, it did really good, Haley. You tell them about it.
The hair did really good, straightened, as you can see. It has a really nice dark color to it. No problem. Still have movement in body, and we did not wash it or anything. Just straighten it straight from the loose wave that she had earlier. Okay. Now she is straight Betty. Okay.